Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Yesterday morning, I stopped by our local food bank and made a donation. I had mentioned to you guys a couple of weeks ago that it would be a good idea if you found the opportunity or felt the desire to make a donation to somewhere, to do it to your local food bank, and that their monies could go a lot further than you going to buy someone groceries at the grocery store yourself. Well, while I was there, they told me that every dollar that I donate to the food bank would purchase 5 meals. You know, they have buying power that we don't have. They don't waste, money on things that people don't need to eat, I don't imagine. So, again, I want to encourage you, if you can and you feel the desire to, do make a donation to your local food bank. It will help people in your community, and your dollars will go a long way. Tough morning. Just getting started this morning. Took care of a couple things for Diane. Went by the store. Went and made a donation at the local food bank. Came clear this out. It's time to get started. Just going to tackle one thing at a time. So I'm going to start off this morning by putting this wire harness on, and then I'm going to get the PCV on, and then I'm going to go from there. One step at a time. You may remember yesterday we got subframe replaced. Then I put the AC compressor, the alternator, power steering pump on. Now I gotta find my thermostat, put my top thermostat housing on. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this standard transmission. I'm gonna fill it up through this hole. I'm gonna take out this bolt, check for fullness, make sure this one's closed. This is where it drains out at, so let me get that going on and then go from there. Not sure what this wet stuff is. I gotta change that crank sensor. Put the right one on there. Levels right up to the bolt hole. So, call it full, put the bolt in. Again, do not put a washer on your reverse switch or it'll be too high to contact. You won't get no reverse lights. Anti-sway bar is installed. Ready to roll. They said pull it back as far as you can, so that's what I did. Find what's next. Time to clear out the PCV, and as you can see, it has some crud in it. So let me get that cleaned out, and then get the box in place, get my custom wraparound tool made, and go from there. Got the port cleaned out. Ran these 2 zip ties down there. First the little one, and then the big one. Ran it down into the oil pan. So if there's any crud in there, it'll be in the oil pan. So now I'm gonna hook the box up and get the manufacturer of my part that wraps around. Not messing with that hose there. That hose is like 60 bucks. So I'm gonna tuck this in here, work it in there, then work the bottom of it down on the bottom. PCV will hit that attachment there, whatever that's for. Gotta cut that off. Got that installed. Clamp on, clamp reset on that. 2 bolts in. The PCV built. Got the starter in. Got some more bolts in the transmission. Of course, the transmission was serviced. Trying to find a crank sensor. I got my cam sensor installed, my upper mount installed, and now I'm going to install the intake manifold. If I can find those bolts. Another day down. I am almost ready to raise that engine. Almost. Got the turbo on. I got to hook up the oil lines. and the cooling lines, then that thing will be ready to get jacked up in there, boy. Catch you tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.